Hey guys, Daily Chinese here, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to use where in Chinese. In Chinese there are 3 ways to say where. It's not the same as in English. The first way,
穿
chuan. So you would say this for
穿衣服 穿衣服
this means to wear clothes. So 衣服 is clothes.
穿大衣穿大衣
This means to wear a coat.
穿袜子穿袜子
That means to wear socks.
穿裤子穿裤子
This means to wear trousers.
穿鞋穿鞋
This means to wear shoes. The second way to say wear is
戴戴
this wear is different from the previous one because this one is used to describe wearing an accessory. This can include
戴帽子戴帽子
this means to wear a hat,
戴手套戴手套
to wear gloves,
戴耳环戴耳环
to wear earrings,
戴眼镜戴眼镜
to wear glasses,
戴口罩戴口罩
to wear a face mask,
戴围巾戴围巾
to wear a scarf,
戴项链戴项链
to wear a necklace,
戴耳机戴耳机
to wear a headphones. So you can't use 戴 to describe wearing clothes, and you also can't use 穿 to describe wearing accessories. Now on to the third way to say
抹抹
This is used to describe putting on either perfume or face cream. A lot of the time people can make the mistake of using the other types of wear to describe putting on perfume. So the proper way to say is
抹香水抹香水
this means to wear perfume. So it isn't 穿香水 and it also isn't 带香水. It is
抹香水抹香水
another way to use it is
抹面霜抹面霜
this means to wear cream. Now, the 3 types of wears, you can't use them in the wrong way. So, 穿 is used for clothes, 带 is used for accessories, and 抹 is used for perfume or cream. Thank you for watching. That's all for this video.